What happens when artificial intelligence starts designing woodworking products? Can AI actually create products that real people would buy? So for the next 7 days, I'm only building and selling products designed by AI. And honestly, some of these designs were genius. And some were completely ridiculous. AI is everywhere right now. It writes, it edits, it creates art. But can it actually help make money in woodworking? So I gave AI one job. Design wood products people would actually want to buy. And over the next 7 days, I'm going to build them, list them, and see if anyone actually buys them. I asked AI to design products that were simple to build, visually unique, and profitable. And honestly, the first results were weird. There is no way someone would buy this. But then, the AI generated this, and suddenly this experiment got interesting. This design was simple, but modern. And honestly, it actually looked pretty premium. Not bad for an AI idea. This one looked super practical, but I wasn't sure people would care. And surprisingly, it came together fast. This was the most ambitious design, and also the riskiest. At this point, I honestly thought I knew which product would sell best, but the internet completely surprised me. So now it was time to test the market. I listed all the products online and waited. Day 1, no sales, but one product was getting way more clicks. Day 3, one product finally sold. And honestly, it wasn't the one I expected. Day 5. Now multiple people were messaging about the same item, and suddenly the experiment started feeling real. But there was one huge problem. The most popular AI design was also the hardest one to build. So after 7 days, here's what happened. The floating shelf got the most attention. The organizer was easiest to build, but the side table made the most profit. And the craziest part, people didn't care that AI designed them. They only cared if the product looked good. I thought AI would replace creativity, but honestly, it felt more like a tool, a weird, sometimes brilliant, sometimes terrible tool. So now I want to ask you, would you buy a product designed by AI? Yes or no? Comment below. And if this video does well, I'll let AI design an entire furniture collection next. If you want more woodworking experiments, business tests, and product ideas that actually sell, make sure you subscribe, because the next experiment might get even crazier.